Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for the love, the support. So, my beautiful family, today I have a quick one to share with us. I really want us to take this message so seriously because these are brother have his own way of saying his things, and when he said it, I'm like, shoo. I don't want to be the person that will hear this alone about what is going to happen in Finland during this referendum. He had a lot of word, a lot of information to share with each and every one of us, and I want you to be part of it. Do well to listen to him to the very end, and make sure you follow him on all his social media platform. The name will be written in the stream. Go and watch the full video. You won't regret it. Thank you, and I'll be right back.
Various platforms and invite your friends to follow me on this particular platform. Ajude Nwabueze Stanley, you are welcome. Sunday Ozoka, you are welcome. If you are going to watch on YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Truth TV View. Truth TV View. And make sure that you like every time you are watching me on YouTube, like so that it will be suggested to many people, and do well to support me with super chat. Very, very important. Emeka Odo, thank you. Clement Odinaka, you are welcome. Each time I mention the fourth people, I closest to call names. The headline, Finland and the worries of the agent of unclean spirits. There are forces that have sworn an oath that Biafra will not come, just because of their various commitments within Nigerian states and the fears of their criminality will be terminated when Biafra come. There are forces around that are hell-bent in stopping the coming of Biafra, and those forces are what I am here to elaborate today. This morning, I have come to tell you that this is a month, 2 years, and how many months that Onyendu have been behind bars. And the latest worry is not, they have forgotten Onyendu. It's not about how Onyendu is going to be freed anymore. It's how to sustain Nigeria. How to sustain Nigeria and what they will do because of the commitment that they have had within the Nigerian state, what they will do to stop the coming of Biafra. And you hear bloodbaths, threats. Do you know what they plan to achieve? I am telling you today, you must, if you have the means, you must be in Finland. What they want to achieve with those threats, it's not that they are going to do anything. They are a bunch of riffraffs. I'm telling you the fact. They are a bunch of riffraffs. People who threaten anyone in the society are known as bullies. They are a bunch of cowards. Bullies from their mother's womb. They are non-entity. But what they want to achieve by the threat that in Finland is going to be dangerous, in Finland they are going to kill, in Finland they are going to maim, is to see that people doesn't go to Finland. They want to see people, being scared. You know, it's going to be a bloodbath in Finland. I don't want to be there. The OS have threatened that they are going to kill. You know, these people are desperate. When they are desperate, we are more desperate than they are. Our desperation is anchored around Biafra. But their own desperation is anchored around the tissue paper that the white man and the Fulani is giving to them. The eager to see money. Ego na atuli elu. Hey! Imakwa ego le Emeka feliri elu nya. Emeka feliri 200,000. Ishi na-ebu ha na-ezuzu. Ha na-efeli elu. The Fulanis who came through Futanjalon is taking your land. Ị na-efeli ego elu. They are being bought, all of them. Colliding. That is the reason why after 2 years plus. The EGA is not on how to free Onyendu against all odds. The EGA now is, oh, we will kill, we will maim, we will destroy, we will do this. Dibia na agwa otoro gbara ike nke eche n'elu. Omenshi na-eme ibi. Amụ nke ya ọ jụrụ ibi ịda. Huh? What they want to achieve in this Finland is to laugh. Oh, look at them. Oh, look at how many that they are. They are not even, because you know that they cannot even achieve anything. They have resulted in renting crowd in order to snap picture. If they want to do any program now, let me tell you what they do. They begin to call people on phone, deceiving them. Oh, there is important announcement today. There is important announcement. You must come. There is no important announcement. They don't have anything. They will tell you that the underground plan, ask them. They know what I am saying. I am getting the intel from them direct. Oh, the underground that we have been for a very long time. There is important announcement. Come, we are going to say it. The people that doesn't come will not be able to hear it. Lolo Nneoma Nkem, you said you wish to give me super chat. Go on YouTube. On YouTube, once you get to YouTube, that place you see thanks. That is where you give super chats. Hit the thanks and follow the option. The people that doesn't come will not hear the information. Will come. There is no information on the ground. What they plan to achieve is to snap picture. They will snap picture and now be posting it in their different platform. IPOB UK under DOS had their meetings. What a deceit. Biafra is not bent on deceit. They want to use it to deceive their many. So the gullible ones will just be like, so IPOB is this strong in UK. So IPOB is this strong in this. DOS have nobody. I'm getting the intel from them. Both from their, what are they calling them? Continental and the this thing. I'm getting the information from them. They have all anchored it in criminality. Oh, come. You know what? The announcement on the ground. I am not live on YouTube now, but if you go to YouTube, or if I upload this video, you can be able, or you can give me through other videos that I have uploaded. I am live on Facebook right now, but I will upload it on YouTube later. These are criminality. So when they now see Simon preparing this, is it mock referendum? The referendum. They are now saying, oh, so if they gather there tomorrow now, people are going to see large people, and they are going to say, oh, how many people that used to appear in our this thing is 3 or 4. So we are going to threaten the people not to go. That is what they are doing. I am well aware. I am telling you today, if you are in Europe, if you are anywhere, try to be in Finland. That is where you fight your own freedom. Not bunch of riffrats, bunch of cowards who have gravitated into bullying. In their various platforms, they tell them, oh, threaten the people, so that they don't go. Do you think that Finland is Africa? In the recent time, people have been alerting me, oh, please tell Simon to be careful. Please tell Simon to be careful. This and that. My brother, let me tell you, every freedom fighter is more than careful. Leave all these people giving which prophecy or the other. We are hell-bent and we are more than careful. We are more than careful. we are more than careful. And I want to tell you this morning, the reason why they have graduated and gravitated into bullying is that they have failed. They are all failures. And another reason is that their paymasters are telling them, oh, don't allow that gathering in Finland. They don't have anything to do. They cannot go to Finland. Any one of them that does PIM, do you know whom Simon is in Finland? Google whom Simon is. Just ask your Google, who is Mr. Simon Epa? If you know whom he is, you will not even think of talking to go to Finland to do making. Finland is not decent. Simon is a reputable person in Finland. And most lovely freedom fighter humanity have ever known after Nnamdi Kanu. After Nnamdi Kanu, there comes Simon. In terms of humility, in terms of coordination, in terms of eye to an eye. All of these people are agents of unclean spirits. They want nothing in their life except using Simon to make content. They want nothing. What they plan to achieve is to see you, to say, oh, there is going to be trouble in Finland. I don't want to go to Finland. So that tomorrow they will put that picture and say, oh, look at them. Nobody was there in their hall. It was empty. Or are cowards. Cowards. If you are in Europe, make sure that you go to Finland. We must all troop there. If you want your freedom. You cannot be where you are and say, oh, they are doing it, they are doing it. Who is doing it? They are doing it, they are doing it. Who is doing it? Who? Ishinkegi, ya bụ Biafra a na-achọ. Ifili na-enweta Biafra na Biafra bụ nke Simon. Ka ifili na-enweta Biafra na Biafra bụ nke Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Ka ifili na-enweta Biafra na nke Emmanuel Oremijus. So what's the nonsense of who they are doing it? If you are in Europe, anywhere that you are, outside the zoo, in fact, outside Africa, I cannot say outside Africa, even if you are in better African countries, make sure that you are there. We must all troop to Finland. I don't have the means. If I have the means, I will be there. I will be there if I have the means. That day, I want to bet you today. You see that guy that you people are calling 1,000 or 7,000 teeth? That is an he cannot be there. Bet me. I'm all from Finland. I'm telling you today, I'm on your former step foot on Finland. If he doubt me, let him make this thing and go to Finland. I'm on your former. I challenge him. Send this video to him. We are talking about freedom. They have always removed your mind from where they are. Oh, Simon. Then try to ask these people, what are you doing? We are fighting for freedom. IPOB is a mass movement. So if you are in charge for 2 years, what have you been able to do? Nothing. There is nothing. They will all. Do you know another reason that makes these people to control all this? They will always go to back and lie to them. I have all the lies that they are giving them. And once they tell me, after some of their meetings, some of them tell me what they do. And I laugh. I laugh. Umuokoko. How is it possible? They are telling them that they are planning to march, that they are getting ready, that they are.
So, my beloved family, that brings us to the end of this beautiful update. I know you really want to watch the complete video. That is why I put his social media handle. Rush now and follow him. Subscribe to his platform, follow him, and listen to the full update from there. Thank you so much, and do well to share the video, like, and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analysis. I bring you all the update back to back. Thank you, and bye-bye.